Hi, my name is Christoph. I'm a co-founder of Coolar and I'm here in Kenyan in Kajiado County, Kenya, where we're testing one of the first Coolar refrigerators that was made by our manufacturing partner in the clinic Centrum Berliner Medical Center behind me, as you can see. You can see the solar hot water system here on the roof, and I'm gonna go in and now show you the refrigerator. Here it is, and as you can see, we want 2 to 8 degrees. Now it's 3.3, and because we are just still piloting, we're testing with some cool water. As you can see here, and ultimately, of course, we want to put in medicine and vaccines to help the clinic serve its catchment population in spite of frequent electricity outages and unreliable electricity by going fully off-grid with our technology.